The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. A phenomenon of unknown nature has been detected across Chicago. We advise citizens to listen carefully. An unknown creature was spotted killing people. This creature is described as a female, blonde hair, yellow and red eyes, red blushes on the face, sharp teeth with blood on it, a red hotel jacket, red pants, and black shoes. She was spotted 30 minutes ago coming out of Oregon, like portal object on the Oak Street beach. All residents in Chicago, if you spotted this creature, dial 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. More creatures is coming out of the portal. The first creature is described as a female, with white and gray hair, gray skin, purple arms, a red button-up shirt, purple legs with a white sock, a eye that is a X on the right eye, peach and black on the left side of the eye, a red ribbon, and holding a trident. The second creature is described as a small female, cyclops-like demon with pointed limbs, white skin and one large eye. Her eyes sports a yellow iris, thick eyelashes, and a hot pink sclera with a yellow gradient. The third creature is described as an anthropomorphic avian cat demon, with evocative of a magician, paired with a casino referencing playing card theme. The sclera of his eyes are black, with light yellow irises and slit pupils. The creature has large and lengthy, red feather-like eyebrows with black vertical stripes near the tips, and a small black heart above each eyebrow. The fourth creature is described as a sinner demon, snake-like appearance with a body color predominantly in charcoal gray, eyes had cerise sclera with black pupils, and a mouth with sharp yellow teeth, two of which were long snake-like fangs. Tail was black with thick yellow stripes featuring numerous cerise eyes running down the length of it, a black cobra hood with its front, colored yellow with black corners and four cerise eye patterns spread across the center. If you see these creatures anywhere, dial 911. We also found information on what was the first creature that was killing everybody on April 12, 2024. Is named Cheryl Morningstar, and the creature was listed on the emergency alert system as named. The first creature is named Vaggie, the second creature is named Nifty, the third creature is named Husk, and the fourth creature is named Serpentious. And also reports of them look like humanoid or animated creature. If you see Cheryl Morningstar, Vaggie, Nifty, Husk, and Serpentious, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. All residents in Chicago, please listen to this message. This situation can have the ability to mark your life. Please listen carefully. The 5 animated creatures that was issued 3 days ago have called over 3 more deadly animated creatures like them. The first creature is described as a female, slender yet curvy-figured white-skinned cyclops-like demon with a singular eye, which has an X-shaped light yellow pupil and sunken coral sclera. She sports freckle-like spots on her skin and long, strawberry blonde pink hair with platinum blonde accents, kept in high half ponytail by a black ponytail holder. Her mouth has black lips and sharp pale yellow teeth inside. Her makeup includes a large amount of mascara and eyeliner, and she has several sunken coral designs of bombs, explosions, and swirl lines tattooed on her right arm. The second creature is described as a male, a slender build, and is the tallest of the main cast of characters. He is estimated to stand around feet with his heels on him. His fur is white, and he has a mop of fluffy white hair that extends from both the front and back of his head, with splotches of light pink across it. He also has a distinctive and focal light pink heart pattern on the back of his head. The light pink outline of a heart also encircles his chest, the bottom point of which extends past his waistband and down to his crotch area. And the third creature is described as a male, a slim dapper sinner demon with beige-colored skin, and usually has a broad smile full of sharp, yellow teeth, a pinkish red cropped, angled bob cut with black tips at the ends, and 2 large, black-tipped tufts of hair extending from the top of his head, evoking the ears of a deer. The style has an undercut at the back, and 2 small black antlers protruding from the crown. And the creatures are named Cherry Bomb, Angel, and Alaster. We also found information that they were looking at other countries in the distance, and they might teleport there and destroy and kill the countries. We also found more information that they didn't come from Chicago, they actually came from the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and teleported to Chicago. All residents in Chicago, lock all doors and windows, turn off all heating and ventilation systems. And most importantly, don't go near these creatures, or you will face certain death. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation.
Bienvenue dans cette édition sur France 24.
Tes folles 20 messages IBAN transmittés à tes recast-of tes Paris Shorif Office. À une identifiant humanois, lip creature va spotter qu'il pop plein Paris. Timig BT Sam situation taille à Chicago, unité stat. ICM lit cam from te mid of te Atlantic 100. Tes creatures Arkilla Evrion TC Interpat. Créatures include Charil Morningstar, Vagi, Nifty, Husk, Sirpentio, Chéribon, Angèle, Enlasté. If you cette créature, cale tes franches autorici. C'était une information update, on tes radio.
Les messages suivantes transmis à la demande de la police de Berlin. Toutes les créatures humanoïdes, comme les créatures animées de Chicago et Paris. Ils en appellent plus de 2 autres. La première créature est décrite comme un démon papillon mâle, grand, élancé et quelques points muscles avec une peau grise lavande et de sièges roses cerises, estime à environ 10 pieds, souligné-t-il avec des longues bottes à talons noirs. Il a une fourrure blanche et meuleuse avec des petits costumes rouges autour de cookies et le vent depuis la ligne de rupture de son manteau. La deuxième créature est décrite comme un mâle, un démon grand et mince, sur les thèmes de la technologie, mesurant environ 7 pieds. Une télévision à écran plat pour une tête, avec les moniteurs projetants de yeux avec une éclair rouge, des petites paupières et des contours de couleurs différentes, neue pour à droite et can pour à gauche. L'écran affiche également une bourreplane d'écran et de netete. Et les créatures sont nommées Valentino et Vox. Si vous les voyez, appelez les services de police locale. Restez à l'écoute pour d'autres messages à vous en direct.
미치지는 지하월 백위관우 여치연이 텔러 지연성노번이다. 미국은 시카고 수임표, 퓨랭스, 펠리 수임표, 독일, 베린의 지역, 벨림돈 모든 진월레는 이니미 사이연 진월라이 일벨릭 지역 아이수번이다. 아이 진월윤 너윤그와 베타이 지열미영노번이다 쌍점. mem지영 수임표, 놀신원 머뮤 텔러건 지연서 수임표, 중 텔드와 미오유브 서험 수임표, 젤릭 쟁미수비치 파이어마이 아이스는 회연 피부 수임표, 너기어브고 이연원. 줌물 페이레이트 일뷰 이연원 세너시급 절뮤누거 아이스는 줌물 미얼리 수임표, 이연원 널런시급 검매그와 얼뷰 넌정저거 아이스는 넌. 사이얼럴 머님수 터치얼리엄 노컬라운 아이프. 줄리언급 피거 원 머디어아요. 중 미얼리 컬레뷰 지질부직 절루고 헌게너그라이 트위오 노어드위로 니엄지어지어스고 중 넌정저는 림치얼리엄 절리고 중 파이어뮤 디어 이어듐 월균 시그조이브니다. 지더거. 지어뮤 시국 노컬라운 넌치어브드워 넘치어펄도 이어넌 벌러시가이더. 서밀룰 지어디어 얼리마이언 폴터그도 기듀노시듀로 보이브니다. 줄리고 아이 진월루 일레어뮤 루치피어 머님수터 수임표 사이얼럴 머님수토이 디어 미연 일레어마이브니다. 줄룰 매너마이언 캥거급 본원의직 지연워해지오. 지민윤 중아이언 펑기어뮤 인지어눈 지어스아이 주수분이다. 줄리고 모든 머머쟁원율. 잼표시오. 중어 이어브디 툴을 디아서브 디키어브와 표시지 얼레브니다.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Seoul National Guard. All of the creatures that were issued in Chicago, USA, Paris, France, and Berlin, Germany, they have one more animated creature. This creature is described as a male, a slender-figured fallen angel who sports a close resemblance to his daughter, Charlie, having her white skin with rosy cheeks, blonde hair with thin light coral streaks on the thicker, paler blonde highlights, and eyes with light yellow sclera and red pupils. Sharp teeth like Cheryl Morningstar. But no blood on it. His hair is short-cut and has been slicked back with one tuft sticking out, his pupils are slit like a snake, and his cheeks are a paler shade of red. In addition, he also sports black sharp eyebrows, and his eyelids are light purple. His forearms also appear to be dark gray when his sleeves are rolled up. And this creature is named Lucifer Morningstar, the father of Cheryl Morningstar. If you see him, call the Korean sheriff. Citizens are advised to be aware of your surroundings. And lock all doors and windows. Stay tuned for further updates.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. All of the creatures that are issued in Chicago, Paris, Berlin, and Seoul have all teamed up together. And now the team name is Hazbin Hotel Team. They are all causing a lot of damage to the world. They have many abductions across the world, blood-curdling screams that were heard throughout Chicago and Paris. All residents in Boston, evacuate or lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating systems. We have also information that there is another creature that is a part of the Hazbin Hotel Team. This creature is described as a female, a very tall demon with pale gray skin, and a wide mouth with black-colored lips full of sharp light pink teeth, and dusty pink cheeks. Her eyes are pitch black with no irises or pupils, and her hair is colored in white. She appears to be slightly taller than Alastair. And the creature is named Rosie. If you see Rosie, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further information regarding this situation.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Auckland Police Office of Defense. The Hazbin Hotel Team situation is getting issued around the world. And also, we found more information on that there's a new team called the Exorcists are invading the city of Auckland. Countries like the United States, Canada, Cook, South Korea, Germany, and Australia are teaming up with us to defeat the Hazbin Hotel Team and the Exorcists. We have developed some technology that can kill the Exorcists. All residents in Auckland, lock all doors and windows. And do not walk up to THSES creatures, or you will face certain death. Stay tuned for more updates on the air.
Good evening to our viewers in the United States and around the world. This is Dave speaking. On this spring, America and the rest of the world are in complete danger. Many reports of the Hazbin Hotel Team and the Exorcists destroying the earth. We have also found more information about the Exorcists. All of the Exorcists were shot dead. However, they come back from the dead and turn into zombie-like cannibals. And they have invaded almost around the world, including the United States. Daniel, can you give us what is going on down there?
Yes, Dave, it's very bad. And there are also reports that Cheryl Morningstar being the leader of all of this horror mayhem. The Exorcists turned into zombie-like cannibals. And they have also almost invaded almost 15 states in the country. We are wondering what humanity can do to stop this mayhem once and for all. Wait. Do you hear that? What the hell is that noise? Oh my god, it's a fucking exorcist zombie. Get the hell away from me.
Dear God, Daniel, are you okay? Daniel. Shit. We lost Daniel. Everyone lock your doors and windows, and stay at your homes, and do not go inside for any reason. Wait. What the hell is that noise? Oh crap, looks like the Exorcist zombies are at the studio. Oh my god, she is going to my newsroom. Holy shit. She about to eat me. Help.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The exorcists that were shot and killed by the American, Canadian, British, German, South Korean, Australian, and New Zealand. However, 30 minutes later after the bullet was shot on the body, the exorcists woke up from the dead and now turned into zombie-like cannibals. And they haved invaded 15 states in the country. These states include California, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Virginia, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, half of Massachusetts, Connecticut, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Maryland. If you live in any of these states, please evacuate or seek underground shelter immediately. There were reports of abducted people, but now they were found dead on the sidewalk in Chicago. They were all male, and they were killed by Cheryl Morgenstern. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end at 2:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There have been reports of the Hazbin hotel team and the exorcists causing deadly situation across the globe, causing a lot of damage. There have been reports of Charlie Morningstar becoming a giant, killing everything that she sees in her path, including humans. And they have been causing a lot of governments across the globe go in complete danger as well. All of the military across the world tried to kill these monsters, but they have them go into complete injured as well. All residents in the United States and the world, gather your friends and family and hurry for your final moments on Earth. This is the East Guy, Tom, signing off. This message will now seek transmission after playing of our national anthem. Please stand by. Please stand by. Attention United States citizens, and the world, this is not the end of the world. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear, I repeat, all clear. The President of the United States has launched 30 nuclear bombs to the Hazbin Hotel and the exorcists. And the nuclear bombs defeated the monsters, and the creatures went back to where they belong, and they are never to return again. We are surprised that you've all survived. Your government thanks for your cooperation during this emergency. We can now return to normal programming. All clear.